Hello everyone, it's Balance Blueprint. Today we're going to be discussing the double bicep curl. First things first, it's essential that you warm up and stretch before any exercise. The foundation to any exercise is posture. Your bones are the frame that hold your muscles. I recommend to practice good and aesthetic posture at all times, especially during exercise. This will only enhance your physique and the changes your exercise will produce. Keep a tight core, square shoulders, and puff out your chest. The beauty of the double bicep curl is its versatility. There are plenty of different types of weights and equipment to perform this exercise in multiple variations. Remember, the bicep is composed of only two muscles, but they are very strong and can handle high repetitions. Ensure that you are always lifting in complete control and make sure you force as hard as a contraction as possible at the top of the motion. It's just as important for the bottom range of motion to allow your muscles to get a complete stretch and lower the weight as much as you can. And that's it for today's tutorial on the double bicep curl, one of my favorite exercises. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed my content. Remember, no matter what, I'm always somewhere rooting for you.